Hey everybody, how we all doing today? I know it's been a little while since I've done videos, but I've done this great thing called a vacation. I need to take a break from work. I need to take a break from this stuff. I need to take a break from everything every once in a while. Kind of keeps you sane and happy. Well, today what do we got? The Arctic Air. Now this ain't a how-to video or whatever, but what this is a neat little contraption. Now, there's pluses and minuses of reviews and stuff like that. Hey, more power to you. This ain't really a review. This does work for said be of our family. Anybody that has a spouse that goes to Brazil without leaving the house, you know, hot flashes and stuff like that, this actually helps my wife out during the hot summers, even though she's right below the AC vent. Well, anyways, she put it away, and we were getting it back out because she was getting ready to take it to work. She wanted to use it at work. So I'm sitting there, I'm looking at it, I'm like, okay, cool. Then all of a sudden she opens back, she's like, well, I think the filter needs to be cleaned. Well, okay. Mechanical on, take a look at it. So then I go ahead and I pop the filter out. Walk over here. Surprise! Holy biscuits. What in the world? You see all that? That ain't dirt. That's mold. That's bad mold too. That's black mold. And it's all the way up inside. It's all the way through here. There's dust and what have you. But see that? Now, my wife didn't use it all the time. She'd only use it on really bad days. And, well, she also would get a persistent cough every once in a while. Me, on the other side of the bed, I don't. So anyways, this is a nice little hidden thing that a lot of people don't know about these. If you can see it. Can you see it? I hope you can see it, because, I mean, that's a combination of mold, dirt, and what have you. So anyways, that's all it is. It's a fan. Those wick up the water that come in through the little reservoir. It comes down through here, goes in here. And then over here is a little probe that basically will tell you the water's running and stuff. Don't leave the water in there. If you're not using it, dump the water out, because now I gotta go in and clean these little terminals that have rusted. And you'll see exactly right there. But anyways, then we go ahead and we grab said be new Mr. Filter here. Put that over there. Come out there. Come out there. Okay. There's the new filter. Big difference. Yeah. It's white. That's nasty. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and clean it and get it all back up and running so she can take it and use it at work, and then she can sit on top of it and check and make sure that the filters and everything are somewhat healthy. Because like I said, what happens is the water comes in, wicks up in here, gets pulled up in here, and then the fan pushes it from over here out here through the other little grate. You can see there's your induction fan right there. Okay, your controls are right here. Blows it through here. Well, the problem is like I said, so it's taking any air that's out through here, goes in here, and it hits this, which is all wet and moist. And basically what it does is make a nice little factory of mold. Now the problem is like our house is very tight sealed. So when said be in the summers and stuff and it's running, try to keep the doors shut as possible. You know, we'll open them, and of course if we got a good day, but if you got a bad day, well, you're screwed. But the thing is something that a lot of people I don't really think. It says right here, it says you should change every 6 months. That's less than 3 months. It's usually only ran from June, or usually July and August and maybe partially September. And then it sat. But the thing is that people could say, well, it sat down here. This is all the way up there, so it's wicked it up into there. So we're going to throw that thing away because, well, they're not reusable, and then we'll put this little turd back in there, and then we'll close this up, and then I'll give it to her, and she can take it to work with her and keep her feet and her heads and her hand cool, because she has a teammate that, well, let's just say, likes to jack the heat up to a 75. Okay, that's a little nuts. But anyways, that's the little Arctic Air. I know everybody's seen it, and there's videos of it and everything. That's the plugs and everything. I've taken the grill off. It's upstairs. But anyways, I just wanted to show everybody, it's kind of like a precautionary thing you might want to look at, because if you're afraid of, like, if you notice that you use this and you're starting to cough or something, more than likely, if you're not looking in there, you look in through one side to the other. Because like I said, if you look through this side, you look, it's a little lint and dusty, and it's got the water, those are watermarks. Well, you might not think it's bad, but it's what's sitting in there that's brewing that's making it worse. So, in essence, just go ahead and stay on top of your equipment. Don't be ahead, just periodically pull it out, clean it out, call it good, and send it on its way. Now, what I'm going to clean this with will be alcohol, as usual. Come through here, wipe it up, make sure there's no, and the weird thing is inside there's no mold. There's nothing except for a little rust spot down here, and I'll clean that out, but that's it. There was no mold on the inside. It was all entrapped on this filter. So, enough being said, I just wanted to show you what, if you have an Arctic Air, what you might want to look for. Other than that, I mean, everybody's got their own opinions. Oh, I like it, I don't like it, whatever. Hey, opinions are like bungholes. Everybody's got one. Not everybody needs to hear it. So, what I'm going to tell you, in my honest opinion, my wife loves this damn thing. She thinks it's the neatest thing since sliced cheese, because it helped her keep cool air going on her. And it keeps her face, keeps her happy. And that's all that matters. Happy wife, happy life. So anyways, just a short little thing about this. So if you got any questions, if there's anything you can think I can answer, don't hesitate to ask and let me know. But like I said, is it worth its little thing of money? Hey, if my wife thinks it is, then it is. I personally, I don't. I have a big giant air conditioner in my garage, so I don't need it. But if you got somebody that's, constantly going through that cycle change, it would be a great thing. Trust me. Alright, this is Trav. I'm going to let you guys go. I'm going to have another video here in a little bit, probably right behind this one. And it's going to be a cool little thing too. So stay tuned and get back with you.